Hello everyone! Today we continue to follow the story of Blue and a new friend.
Ha-ha! Yeah! Oh!
Blue decided to bring this new friend home with him.
Oh!
Let's see how Blue will fix Boxy.
Yeah! Oh! Good night.
Blue gradually fell asleep after a long day.
I love you.
Thank you for watching. See you again in the next videos. Hello everyone. Today we will meet Friends Rainbow Friends. Let's follow it.
I'm sorry.
After being laughed at by other friends, Red returned to the lab and decided to attract all the colors of everyone. The next day, everyone met and talked about their color lost. At that moment, the glitch that Red made right later and started attacking. After throwing Blue and Green, Red is more confident to attract all the color of the street. Blue devised ideas to fight Red. Let's see. Thanks to the rain, the glitch ran away. Everyone surrounded Red, asking the crime, then all painted the color for the street. Hello everyone. Today we will continue to follow the story of Blue. Let's see if there is anything interesting.
Oh!
Huh?
What is learning like this, Blue? How dare you dodge? Come back here! While doing homework, Blue fell asleep. In the dream, Blue had an exciting adventure in the kingdom of alphabet lore.
B. C. D. D. F. 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 Huh?
Huh?
No! Release P, please! Will Blue save his friend P? Let's wait for the answer in the next episode. Hello everyone, today we will follow a story at the circus. Let's see what is interesting.
Huh?
Why am I here?
Oh.
What is this?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Look carefully here.
Huh?
It looks easy. I will do it. Where's the ball?
NANI?
What's the matter, Blue? Let's follow the next development.
What the hell? Huh? Thank you. Thank you. And good night.
You dare not listen.
Oh?
I have to go back to see how to be new. How dare you? Oh no!
What the hell?
Stop! You have been arrested. Finally, Green was arrested, Blue was returned freely. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next videos. Hello everyone. In today's video, the main character will be Baby Blue. Let's follow the story. Why is it so heavy?
Okay.
Oh no! Why are there baby here? Oh my god! That's hurt! Oh, I broke my arm! Now we will take Blue to the hospital and fix it. Look! Now let's choose a new hand for Blue.
No. Okay.
Let's knit a new arm.
NANI?!
Don't be sad anymore. Look this. So happy. My car! Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Hi guys. Today Huggy will play a live streamer on mukbang topics. Let's follow to support Huggy. Today's live stream is here to end. See you in the next live streams.
NANI?!
Oh, it hurts. My face. Boo-hoo. Now we will go to Huggy to treat acne.
Rah! Rah! NANI?!
My skin is acne-free. Remember to limit hot, spicy food. I have an idea. Welcome back to my live stream. Hello everyone. Today's video will be an interesting story of Huggy. Let's follow it. What's wrong? My stomach is so hurt. It's not okay. Line up. I can't hold it anymore. Why are you here? Get out. Oh, too bad. Wake up, Huggy! Someone help!
No.
There's nothing you can do this time to me. It is still a long time you can sit on me. Now we will go to clean the toilet again. Oh, clean.
Okay. Goodbye.
The food has fallen dirty. You should throw it away. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone. In today's video we will see Huggy again. Let's follow his story.
Okay.
NANI?!
What's wrong with you? Now we will see how to separate the cold ice cream from Huggy's lips. Oh! Lips are frozen! My lips are so annoyed! Now let's cure Huggy's frozen lips. Thank you, Doctor. Give me a ice cream.
Okay. Oh.
Huh?
What's that? Thank you for watching. Hello, everyone. Today we will return to a video of Huggy's story. Let's follow this interesting story.
Oh man. Oh.
Oh, the worm! Get out! The worm fell on you. It's too big. Let me help you. Oh no, Huggy! Gotta fix your lips. Look who did it! Now let's see what the process of regaining Huggy's plump lips will be like.
NANI?!
Oh lucky, all swelling. Hello everyone. In today's video we will watch the hand care process of Pibby. Let's follow it. Oh Huggy! What should I do? Now Pibby will be taken to the nail shop to take care of her hands. Let's see what will be interesting here. Ooh! My hand looks more beautiful. Pleasant. Ooh! Wow, beautiful hands have returned to me. Thank you, the owner.
Thank you. Goodbye. Okay.
Out of unpleasant smell, great. Hello everyone. Today we will bring a very interesting video. Let's take a look. Oh, food! It looks so delicious. Oh, so much candy. Aha! I caught you. Where is Pibby?
NANI?
Release my child! How dare you! What is this? Wake up, Dad! Oh, turning into a baby. It looks lovely. I have an idea. Now we will see how to remove glitch on baby long legs. Now, let's clean the baby. Ooh! Done! So pretty! For watching. See you again in the next videos.